Stop affirming and start assuming. You might have heard about this thing. A lot of the people say affirm, affirm, affirm. I was also talking a lot about affirming in some of my videos before, and I'm not saying that affirming is bad thing or it's not gonna help you get what you want. It's also one of the manifestation technique. But if you're tired with the affirming, you're tired with affirming, robotic affirming, writing the affirmations on a piece of paper, like combining with the journaling, or trying to affirm or have a routine or a schedule around that thing, and it feels like a lot of the work, then maybe you need to try something different. Maybe start assuming. And it's maybe in another technique. All these things are permission slips, whether affirmation, imagination, visualization, scripting, journaling. All these are permission slips. So you can pick up anytime you want, or you can leave all of them. So today I want to talk about the power of assumptions, the law of assumption. You assuming that it's already been done has a greater power, because whatever definition and meaning to you give, that's the important thing, because you are the main creator. So whatever you choose, whatever you say, whatever you identify with, how you define things, the way you define it, the way you give meaning and definition, and what meaning and definition you're giving to it, all that matters. Outside of you, nothing really matters. So affirmation does help you in getting what you want, but fastest key way is you can assume your reality right now. You can live in the phenomenon of as if. Now, as if it's not actually living in your dreaming la 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 land. It's actually assuming and dreaming that you know that you create your reality. Whatever you think, whatever you believe in, whatever you are assuming, that's going to be true for you, because we are all assuming anyway. We are assuming always, all the time. You're assuming a worst case scenario, you're assuming a positive case scenario. Like a lot of the people assume the worst case scenario. What could worse happen right now? What could be the worst case scenario? Start assuming positive case scenario, exactly assuming that could happen what you really wanted it to happen for you. And it may seem you're lying to yourself. Well, either way, you're assuming it anyway, and whatever you're assuming, whatever you're defining, how you're defining, that's going to be true for you. So either you're assuming negative, and that's also a lie, because the negative thing that you're assuming haven't happened yet. You're just assuming it. And since we are so accustomed to assume negative and feels like normal, we don't say that we are lying to ourselves when we are assuming negative. But we are accustomed to think or assume positive, and it feels like we are lying to ourselves because we are so accustomed to negative more than the positive. And that's why when people say assume positive, it feels like you're lying to yourself, but you're assuming negative always, all the time. I mean, you're assuming it's something or the other anyway, and that thing haven't happened yet. So you're already telling lie to yourself anyway. So why thinking or assuming positive or exactly what you want feels like a lie to yourself? You can ask yourself, you can go deep with that, and you can go deep with that belief system, and you can take it out, all of it all, or you can find an alternative. You can replace it with something positive, or you can give it a different meaning, different definition, put your energy in some other way and take it on it some other way. It depends on you how you want to choose and where you are prefer to going with that. That's the most important thing. So you don't need to affirm 10 million times or robotic affirmation. Yes, they do help you rewire your subconscious mind, but that's just one way to manifest. That's just one way to manifest. You can assume the reality right now, and assumption doesn't mean you have to forcefully live into that reality even if you don't see it right now. Assuming means assuming in your mind, assuming inside of you, not outside of you. You cannot change outside of you. You're assuming inside of you before it actually showcasing on the outside screen. And you're assuming, what if this could be happen? What if it could be a positive case scenario? And that's gonna be true for you. Let me know if this piece of is helpful to you. Give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification for more such videos. I have courses and masterclasses, guys, waiting for you right now. If you're interested, check it out. All the links are provided in the description. Remember one thing, whatever technique and strategy you're going with, whatever permission slip you're allowing yourself to have it to manifest something you want, that's going to be work for you, because the manifestation techniques, strategies, permission slips, affirming, assumptions, They don't work if you don't put your power or energy to it. They only work because you want it to work for you, or you think that it's gonna work for you. So you are the mainstream here, rest everything is secondary. Put yourself primary because you are the primary. So it doesn't matter whether you choose affirmation, visualization, imagination, scripting, journaling, doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, it's what you choose. So that's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.